What's up, guys? It is your boy E-Man. Today, guys, I'm back with another video. So today, guys, I'm going to be making a fan fort. And guys, this is super epic. All you have to do is just watch this video and you will have a quick tutorial of how to make a fan fort. So I'm about to make my fan fort now. So all of the things that you're going to have to need is a box fan. This is a box fan right here. And you're also going to need a sheet. Like this right here. I'm just going to be using this sports sheet. And I also have my little puppy Zeno here, who might come and join me inside my fan fort. And it will be a super cool little, I'll say something like a tent. It's more so like a tent. Yeah, so, alright. So, what you want to do, so the first thing that you want to do is get your sheet. Once you have your sheet, you want to wrap it around the fan, but not too much, just enough. Right now, I have a chair. Oh, yeah, and you're also going to need a chair, guys. Yeah, you're also going to need a chair. This is the chair that I'm using to hold my fan against. My box fan is going to be hold against this. You guys see? Alright, so now what you want to do is get your sheet. And then wrap it around the fan. This. I'll put this right here. Alright. Get the sheet. This. Get your fan. Wrap it around. Make it fully be on. More so about this right here. About that part on. And then when you're done with that, there you go. Then you lean it against the chair. So now, as you guys see, it's against the chair now. Like that. Alright. Now I'm leaning it against. Alright. So after that, you can go under. Once you go under, you turn it on the maximum number. What I mean by that is however high is your number, which is like 3. That's my highest number on there. So, however, in most people, box fan numbers are 3. So, I'm going there. I'm under, and it's still not inflated, but I'm under right now, and I'm turning my number to 3. Alright, so now it is on. Like you always have to do, you have to make sure you plug up your fan, of course. And now it's starting to inflate. So what you can do is you can stretch out your fan fort. So you see how I'm just stretching it out some? Stretching it. Yep, keep on just stretching your fan fort so it can look better and better. Just keep on stretching it. Now you see Zeno is trying to go inside the fan fort. Alright, so hold up, Zeno. Hold up, man. Alright, so now I'm about to go inside and Zeno's about to walk in with me. Zeno knows the entrance, even though sometimes he comes in from the side. Alright, so now I'm going in from the entrance of my fan fort. So this is how it's looking right now. It's looking more so long. Alright, so now I'm about to go inside the fan fort. Alright, so now I'm inside. Alright, I'm placing my phone, I'm placing my camera against the box fan. And there we go. I stretch this out a little bit. You can also stretch it out when you're inside. More so push it. Oh, Zeno, you coming in? Come on, boy. Woo! Look at him, guys. My puppy, he loves. That's the thing. I believe that most dogs love the fan fort. It's so awesome. Like, it's pretty much like your own little territory. Like, it's very cool, y'all. And you can bring extra stuff in it, like waters and stuff. You can eat inside the fan fort as long as you're not super clumsy like me. You can eat inside your fan fort. You can also make sheets for it, like I would. It's to make it even more cozier inside. placing down some sheets. Oh. Alright, there you go. Okay. Place down some sheets. Woo! Alright. Alright, guys. So I'm about to push down this sheet right here. There you go. Guys, this is so awesome though. Alright, so now I have my sheets down inside my fan fort. This is super cool. Moving this out. And like I'm saying, if you want it to be wider, you just push all these that's inside of it, all of these little you know, all of these little sheets. Just push it out and just keep pushing while you're inside, guys. So that is how you make the fan fort, and this is just so awesome. Like the fan is just pretty much controlling the fort and expanding it more, but it doesn't keep on expanding. It stays more so like probably about this height. It's depending on, so the skinnier the sheet is, I believe, the easier it can come off. But the thicker the sheet is, I believe the harder it is to come off. But if it's thicker, it's kind of hard to also inflate. That's why I'm using a very thin sheet right now. So it can come off pretty easy. So if I push this right here, it'll start moving off. See? But I got like the exact right size. Like, I'm gonna show you guys the amount of size, like how skinny this is right here. It should be skinny enough, about that skinny. It shouldn't be no skinnier than that, or that's pretty much crazy. Just pretty much just get a bed sheet. That's a very awesome like cloth to use for your fan fort. So guys, don't forget to click that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell. You already know. Zeno. You okay, man? Say peace, Zeno. Alright, hold up. I'm gonna have to move his hand for him. Alright, Zeno. Say bye-bye. Get your paw out. Get your paw out. You biter. And peace. Oh, man, it's not working. And peace. One more time. And